Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve the IQ18 puzzle. This puzzle was designed and made by Jean Claude Constantin, a famous French puzzle designer who lives in Germany. Difficulty level of the IQ18 puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to remove all parts from the frame. And there are 18 parts here, and then you have to put all of them back inside the frame. If you take a close look at the parts, you will find that there are 4 different sizes here. There are 15 rectangles of this side. There are 3 rectangles much smaller like this, 1 square and 1 cube. And all of these parts you have to fit inside of the box, but it will be quite difficult, since if you try to stick parts inside, you will quickly find that you can easily put almost all of them, but you will always have at least one part that you can't put inside. Like, I can put these parts, I can put this part and this part, but then there is not enough space for the cube piece, and you have to find a way how to fit all 18 parts inside. If you like the IQ18 puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca, and if you already bought the puzzle and you want to see the solution, keep watching the video. And now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. So you put this piece first, then you put 2 more parts inside. Then you grab one piece and put it right here. One of the smaller parts will be in this corner. Then another part like this will be right here. And where is the third one? The third piece will go to this spot. It is just enough space to fit this part. Then we will add a cube and a square right here. On the side we can put 2 parts, and here everything is quite easy. You just have to fill the gap and the puzzle will be solved. And that is the solution of IQ18 puzzle. It is easy when you know the exact place for each piece, and if you don't know that, you will spend quite some time figuring it out, since because of these small parts, like this small rectangle or cube or a square, sometimes you don't have enough spot for the larger pieces because of these tricky small parts. If you like the IQ18 puzzle and you want to try some other amazing puzzles designed by Jean Claude Constantin, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.